Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2025 Cayenne Turbo GT. This is a pretty loaded up unit with all the carbon ceramic brakes, carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber this and that, all the 650 horsepower. But all we did on this, I would recommend always doing a full roof and PPF. We did the mirrors obviously with the full front, and that's all we did. And we did tinted. So there's the doors, the windshield, mirrors, and the full front's fully wrapped. Headlights, all the corners, just like we always do. Everything's fully wrapped, no lines. We don't print a pattern and stick it with an edge. Everything gets custom wrapped all the way around. Hood's nice and glossy, free from all debris. Bumpers 100%, fully wrapped around that edge. All these are trimmed out. Everything's nicely done. Porsche emblem gets pulled off. It's 2 8mm speed nuts, and we put it back in place. And continuing on to the passenger side, same thing, no line out here. Everything's wrapped. Everything looks good. There we are. They're coming into the fender, into the door, all wrapped in. Mirror, window film looks great. Windshield film looks great. And there it is, Clearbrow, North Dallas in Argyle, 214-414-3809, clearbrownorthdallas@gmail.com. I'm Brent, and personal cell 940-703-8301. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.